Asibingelele Mashabezulu. Igama nguThulana kwaNkala. Bakwethu kungabi mnandi kanje ngalimpela viki edlule. Bese ku King Mzilikazi Day khona eBradford lana eUK. Kube umgubho oqophe umlando. Ngoba asisakaze sikubona okunje eUK. I-attendance yakhona ibiyisimangaliso. Bekuzabantu besuka le, abanye besuka le, abanye besuka la. Kweza nama groups. Sibonge kakhulu kubo bonke abantu akade bezile. Siyazi ukuthi abantu uma besendaweni ezifana nalezo bayakhuluma. Yikho ke nobaba uyikhwa naye ukhulumile. Kodwa ke uthe uma sekukhulumile ayisezwa sokunezincwadi eziflayayo ezinokumgxeka kakhulu ukuthi ukhulumele abakalanga ngendlela engayisiyo. Yikho ke namhlanje sithe ubaba uyikhwa akeze lana sizoxoxa naye sizwe ukuthi yena ulubheka kanjani lolo daba lapho abantu akade bemthethisa khona. Baba Yikhwa siyakwamukela kuMathebeleni Broadcasting Corporation.
Hawu yebo Mr Nkala, ngiyabonga ukwamukelwa mfowethu kuMathebeleni Broadcasting Corporation. Ngibonga kakhulu, lami ngijabula kakhulu ngomhlangano esibe nawo. I-attendance ebinzima kakhulu yabantu beMathebeleland South North lapho la koBulawayo. Kube kuhle kakhulu ukuhlangana nabafowethu nezihlobo njalo kungazange kube nokulo kube khona. Kuyangithokozisa kakhulu lokhwana.
Hayi kuhle kakhulu. Asivele nje sihlale phezulu kwendaba baba Yikhwa. Sibonile incwadi ebhaliwe ngabafowethu abathi ngabenhlangano yeBukalanga Liberation Movement, something like that.
Yebo, Liberation Front.
Yeah, angazi noma uyabazi.
Hayi cha, kangibazi impela. Bengakaze ngizwele ukuthi kule hlanganiso enjalo. Lami kwangethusa ngendlela ulimi okwakubhalwe ngayo. Kwangimangaza kakhulu ngoba ngakuthola kuyi-character assassination eyangethusayo kakhulu ngoba mina ngangikhanbe ngithunyiwe manje ngabafowethu odadewethu labo bhuti esisebenza sonke. Njalo ngakhuluma owemizuzu engadluli noma emibili kumbe emithathu. Kodwa into yangethusayo abafowethu bavumbulula izinto eziningi engangizikhulumile. Mina ngangikhuluma ngokujabula lokuthokoza. Njalo ngijabulela nje ukuthi inhlanga zonke zeMathebeleland kumbe ngithi imhlobo yonke ama-tribe wonke athe gwaqa ahlangene eBungaza manje ekhumbula inkosi uMzilikazi. Angizange ngibe ngicabangile ukuthi kungaba nabanye abantu abangaqhubeka ngakho. Njalo yayingesiyo inhloso yami ukuthi ngikhulume okungazondisa omunye umuntu. Mina ngangizijabulela ngithokoza ngoba nathi siba nemhlangano yobukalanga sibize obaba ondiweni babuye sibe nabo. Ngesilungu thina silabana people who promote diversity and we celebrate diversity yethu eMathebeleland. Siyazi kunemhlobo eminingi, amaXhosa, amaVenda, abeSuthu, amaNambia, amaTonga, amaNguni, amaNdebele, abantu abaningi kakhulu, imihlobo eminingi ekhona eMatabeleland. Siyake sicabanga ukuthi sonke singaphansi kwamaphiko athi seMatabeleland. Ize kunjalo siyazi thina singabantu beBukalanga siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi we celebrate i-diversity, kodwa siyabe sijabula ukuhlangana neminye imihlobo ekhona eMatabeleland. Njengoba ngiyibalisa nje, ngiyazi mina ngiyafika 13, kodwa imihlobo yonke ekhona eMatabeleland siyabe sicabanga ukuthi singabantu abalinganayo, siyahloniphana, akula elinye iqembu elizibona liphezu kwelinye. Singabantu abakwazi ukuphilisana isintu sethu, ubuntu, ukuthi mina ngilokho engikho khona ngabanye, ngilokho engikho khona ngomunye. Kade kungangifikanga kakhulu mina ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi esigabeni se-South, eMatabeleland region, eMatabeleland South le North lakoBulawayo, sokungaba khona ukwehlukana, phose sithwalelana amahloka. Ngangingacabangeli lokho, ngangazange ngunanzelele kakhulu, kodwa ngumuntu opromotha ukukhula kwamasiko, i-culture, le-tradition esikhalangeni, in terms of i-language, ukugqoka kwethu, ukuhlabela, ukudla, konke lokhwana siyapromotha among ourselves, kodwa kasikwenzi at the expense of abanye. Masibiziwe noma ngabantu beBhinga amaTonga, noma ngamaNambia, noma ngabeSuthu eGwanda, noma ngamaVenda eBeitbridge, besenza okwabo, siyafika sibe nabo, sijabule, kube into enjalo, singaziboni singcono kulabo kumbe singaziboni siphansi kulabo. Into esuke yenzeka laphana kuba buhlungu ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi mali promoter i-culture nama-tradition, laba beze-politics basuka bangene, and ekungeneni kwabo bangena bewipha ama-emotions abantu, kuyefika ekhaya sokungenye indlela, uyazi sokungani ukhangelela omunye umhlobo phansi. Mina ngoba kwakulezi nduna ezimbili laphana, uba uDakamela lo baba uNdiweni, mangangifakaza ukuthi hayi nathi sikhona sisebenza labanye, lathi kwela kithi ngapha esikhalangeni kumbe amanga ubukalanga silazo induna, obaba oMadlambuzi, obaba oMasendu, omama oMahikwa. Ize ngasebenzisa i-reference kamama kuphela ngoba isibongo we share the same surname ukuthi Hikwa, kodwa-ke yilibale laphuma masinya emlonyeni wami. I could have given an example using any other chief ukuthi ano thina we promote okwenzakalayo, ukuthi ma zikhona induna zesiNdebeleni, ezesikhalangeni, ezesisuthwini, ma kungaba khona umSuthu obeke waba induna eBeitbridge, umVenda eBhinga, lezinye zikhona phakathi kwethu, noma ngamanguni, noma ngobani, ma ekhona beyizinduna phakathi kwethu, so we respect them, siyabahlonipha, kodwa asiziboni singaphansi komunye umhlobo, ngoba bengaba khona abantu besikhalangeni abahlala eKheza abangaphansi kwabonyanga zonke, ma bekhonale basebenza le nduna ezikhonale. So angazi ukuthi laba abafowethu bezepolitiki bayithatha njani into leyi, bayispina yaba yi-political thing, ukuthi kwakhanya ngani mina ngikhulume ngilulaza umhlobo wami. No, it was never the case. Mina, all I was doing was trying to promote and celebrating a collaborative action and practice esilayo labo baba uNdiweni. When it comes to grace our occasion, he respects us, he calls us Bukalanga Nation. That must be phakathi laphana. We don't want to see ourselves as special or a different group altogether. Sasizikhulumela isikhalanga labanye abafowethu ababekhona laphana, we didn't feel out of place. we just felt part and parcel ngoba i-chemistry ekhona emathebele ezinye izinto they are i-reality ku-ground njalo lokwakha esilakho omzilikazi labomama into abayenzayo omakhelwane ekhaya uyathola ukuthi ngapha kuya kuKhumalo, ngapha kuya kuWiqwa, ngapha kuya kuSebata from Bedbridge, ngale kuya kuJowu, Mbuntowu from siku-village 1 siyimhlobo yonke njana sihlala sonke. So kusithi inkosi eyabe ikhona, induna ekhona, kusiya ngokuthi kuphi umhlobo, siyabe sihlonipha ngokufanayo. So ama-politician esilawo, they capitalize on the word ukuthi we submit. Angangatsho ukuthi we submit uNdebele Chiefs. Ngangisithi thina singabantu abasubmita kuma-chiefs. Silazo induna zethu ePlumtree. Abantu bakithi amakhala angagcwele umhlaba wonke, abanye asefila bus angaphansi kwabobaba o-Overs, abanye basenkayi, abanye baselupane, abanye baseGwanda, abantu besikhalangeni bahlezi lezi nduna khona. So amadoda epolitics they bathatha ibala lelo balispina negatively, lafika ebantwini bakithi sengathi I deliberately subjugated abantu bakithi abesikhalangeni ngathi we submit under Ndebele Chiefs, yet it was never like that. Thina siyababaza ama-chief wonke akhona eMatabeleland njalo it's my belief ukuthi ama-chief asekhona noma avela eMavenda noma avela kwaSuthu noma avela ePlumtree esikhalangeni, enkayi, amaNdebele, amaVenda, abeSuthu, izinduna ngicabanga ukuthi zonke zisebenza zonke noma eParliament zonke zingaphansi kwababu umtshana. It's my belief they work as a team khona la. Then who am I to stand ngehlukanise ama-chiefs akhona ekhaya? I wouldn't do that. But at our level, we promote working together, promoting each other's cultures, celebrating our diversity. Sihloniphana, kungalo obhekela omunye phansi, kungalo othi omunye umhlobo uphezu komunye. Asikufuni lokho, njalo asikutsho. If ever it came across like that, I regret it. Waphuma kubi.
Baba Hiko.
Yebo baba.
Ngiyakuzwa kodwa ke maybe uma singazama ukuthi sizithathe nathi sizifake inyathelweni zabo laba okuyibo abakhulume ngalolu hlobo bekugxeka ukuthi wena uthi abantu bebukalanga they bayasubmita eMandebeleni. Alright, uma ungabheka ngoba abantu elizweni eli1 noma ngithi ine nation abacabangi ngokufana.
Yeah.
So at least sometimes kabe kumele ukuthi uma sizohlangana eCenter sikwazi ukuthi sicabangele lwana omunye okuleliyane side ukuthi
Yes.
azefike kulo mcabango akuwo ufike njani. So ngibeke sengikubuza ukuthi ezinye inhlangothi from esikhalangeni zicabanga njani when it comes to inkosi umzilikazi noma ayisizo kubuza kuthiwa ngisamandebele. Ngiyabonga.
Uyazi ukuthi into yakithi ibuhlungu Mr. Nkala ngenxa ukuthi iya ngeangle ophuma kiyo yabona. Sonke siyakwazi ukuthi i-region eMatabeleland north south lakobulawayo we are struggling under inequality ekhona being perpetrated by those who are in power, and lokho abakwenzayo they don't segregate ukuthi ngumVenda, ngumXhosa, ngumNdebele, ngumKhalanga yini. Ubuhlungu bakhona sibuzwa ngokufananayo. Kunabantu abakuthatha from that angle ukuthi we are suffering as a unified force under the current leadership ekhona. Kulama inequalities athize amanengi. For example, nje ukuthi izalukazi ezisemaThebeleland noma kusenkayi noma kusethuli noma kumadlambuzi noma kungaphi mazisiya ema-police station zifika zikhulunyiswa ngolimi olungayisilo local language khonapho kubuye noma baya ema-clinic same thing. Ama-teacher ezikolweni ezinye ezithize abakhona ukukhuluma ama-local languages. So all those things, and that is across the board. It's not directed to Plumtree, noma eGwanda, noma eNkayi. It's a regional issue. So kunabantu ababheka inkinga ze-region yethu holistically, bekubheka from a regional eye. Kuzoba nabanye, obviously, who narrow it to maybe small tribal kube ngolunye uhlobo. Kodwa ke in terms of ubukhosi bukaMzilikazi kunzima ngenxa yokuthi i-history is written by the conquerors. There is so much stuff ongayizwa from different people ngokubuya kwaMzilikazi, kusiya ngokuthi ibhuku olibhalileyo libhalwe ngubani kumbe ngubani okutshelayo. Kube nabanye abakuthatha bekuthi okay, that happened, it was then. Kwangakabi le modernization, le civilization khonapha elizweni esihlala kilo Mr. Nkala. Silama British, silama English, silama Scots, silama Irish, baba lezimpi eziningi kakhulu ezisabisayo. But they've buried their history, they live together now. Ngoba sokutshintshile. People modernize. Ezinye izinto ezazenzeka ngabo 18 something zazisenziwa ngokuthi maybe ama-human rights ayingaziwa, o-gender violence babengekho, i-political maturity yayingekho, labo-colonization. So kunezinto ezayenzakalayo during that time. Ezinye zingabuya zingani ziba buhlungu kusiya ngokuthi zitshelwa njani abantu. Kube le enye i-angle futhi ethi uMzilikazi obviously wathi efika emaThebeleland kwasokuqale umama uNyamazane uMngwane uMswati wayesevele sedile labomambo induna zakithi, wayesevele sedile lazo already. uMzilikazi wafika sokungolunye uhlobo. So ama-history akhona maningi, kodwa ke angazi kube sokusiba nabantu abakubambayo lokhu, mhlawumbe kube sezinhliziyweni befisa ukuphindisela. I don't know how. Kuzoba khona abanye who want to move forward and embrace history, culture, but understand ukuthi some things happened by then. But if somebody could build nations ehlanganisa amaXhosa, amaVenda, abeSuthu, amakhalanga, amanambi, amaTonga under one tribe, ngaleso sikhathi kulobungcicho obuthize, ngoba wayengalisanga muntu by then ukuthi engakwenzi khonokho. Kodwa mawakenza khonokho, sometimes we need to salute him. Ize ngaleso sikhathi kungaba loburongo babakhona, but we can't do anything about it now. Kathesi lapho esesikhona, we need to strike a code of mutual understanding, respecting each other. Kungala hlobo obhekela abanye phansi kumbe obiza amanye imhlobo ngamagama. Kodwa ngiyazi bakhona kithi ngapha eBukalanga a very small minority abazondileyo kakhulu, maybe we don't even want to hear ngembali kaMzilikazi. Kube khona futhi nabo abantu abesindebeleni amanguni who still call eminye imhlobo amahole, and even go to the extent of singing bekubone ngani into enhle. So izinto esiphila kizo babankala ezikhona, kodwa omunye umuntu ke ngacabanga ukuthi ngokufunda sokukhona ebantwini le exposure esesilayo, abantu bazabheka izinto ezinje on a different note. Kodwa ke njengoba ngitsho wankala ukuthi umsebenzi usamkhulu kakhulu impela. Thina ke ngapha eBukalanga we're trying to promote culture yethu, ama traditions, language, the way of life, and trying to do that without interfering with anybody. Culture, hoping good to know what we do is just celebrating our diversity. Those whom we live with or alongside, they will respect whom we are. Lathi sibahlonipha kungalomunye ozibona engcono kulomunye umbebhekela omunye phansi. That's our motto, our vision. That's how we work. Asiboni
Baba Hikwa.
Yebo Nkosi.
Solungena eMadevin.
Yeah.
Ngizonikeza izethekeli zethu lana nazo ukuthi zikhomente noma zikubuza imibuzo mazi nembuzo.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke before ngibanikeze.
Yeah.
Uma unganikezwa ithuba kuthiwe exolisa baba Hikwa ngamazwi owakhulumileyo ungathini?
Uvele sengixolisile kudala labo abakhubekileyo sesibabhalela incwadi saxolisa kakhulu ngoba it was never meant to come across the way it did. So sesixolisile ngoba njalo siyabona ukuthi kwabanenge ekhaya kufike sokuyi political spin sokuspinwe ngenye indlela ukuthi a 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes talk isibhalwe izinto eziningi kakhulu njalo ezingayisikho lokho engangikutsho mina. But ke obviously ngixolisa ukuthi makuthi kufike njalo ebantwini ukuthi ngabhekela umhlobo wami phansi ngithi singaphansi komunye umhlobo othize. No, that's not it. Thina we're footing at the same wavelength. Le mhlobo yonke ekhona emathebele asiziboni singcono kulabanye, asibone eminye imhlobo ingcono kulathi. Ngibona nje silingana sonke labo abasezikhundleni zama leadership. Ungala uthi uvela kuphi umhlobo mayekhona phambi kwethu siyamrespecta, we give them the respect yobuntu esilayo. So i-apology yami ingaba yena leyo nje ukuthi maybe choice of words ayihlalanga kahle kwabanye, but it was never meant to denigrate anybody or to put somebody esihlalweni ongekho kiso. Thina we believe in cooperation, symbiotic and equal footing, promoting diversity, but we don't want to look down upon others, neither would we accept being looked down upon by anybody.
Hayi no kuhle kakhulu siyabonga baba Hikwa. Ngithanda ukuthi nginikeze ithuba kuzethekeli zethu uma kukhona elingabe lithanda ukukubuza noma elingabe lithanda ukukuphawula. Lapha we are just few. Ungangena ukhulume uma uzizwa ufisa ukukhuluma.
Yebo Mashaka. Ngomguni la.
Baba Mguni.
Yebo nkani.
Cela uvele phela ku camera.
Munjani Hikwa.
Hayi tiyapo Mr. Mguni, munjani tate?
Tomuka ta.
Oh nice.
Yeah.
Baba Mguni.
Yebo baba.
Cela livele ku camera phela.
Ngilele ndoda.
Akulanda.
Hayi. Yeah. Ngizazama kodwa I'm resting now. But anyway, be that as my But someone said okay.
Oh yes, siyabona nje manje.
Yeah, siyabona phela ukuthi awuhambe kuhle. Yeah. I think the era, let me put it very starkly. I am 100% Tutu. I am 100% Ndebele. And I'm 100% Kalanga. Ngikhulele uKalangeni uloku ugogo wami wangikhulisayo umKalanga. I find ukuthi the era esiyenzayo is ukuthi khona kulamandebele kulamanguni kulamakalanga kulabesuthu kulamavenda. When you put it ukuphawula ngaleyo ndlela indebele ke yiliphi ke khonapho nxa usuthethe all these other groupings, because in the way that I understood mina ndikula I actually sort of thought that the Ndebele people ngabantu abahlala eMatabeleland.
Yes.
All these, I think that is what uMzilikazi or whoever it is abaqalisa isizwe actually intended. Ukuthi labo bantu bonke ngamaNdebele, yes, kulamanguni abavela ezansi. Kulathina esaphumela eLimpopo. Kulamatswana. All those people are Ndebele. If you actually ungakuphawula as you're listing, ama tribal leanings lana. Uveke bonke as you are indicating. I would then ask you ukuthi amaNdebele ngobani? Ngoba into eyokuthi khona kuthi amaNdebele was adopted uMzilikazi esedlula eBandebeleni, which is
eBatswaneni, yeah. Talk about Ndebele.
And that is the problem esinayo. Ngoba if we actually all of us said yes, we've got different origins. Kodwa sesilapha eMatabeleland singamaNdebele, and we actually sort of in the diversity that you referred to, that would actually make things much easier.
Yeah. Hayi ngivumelana lawe baba Mguni 100%. Ukuthi kulabantu abanjengathi who are comfortable being called Ndebele, but there's massive, I don't know whether it's massive or it's critical mass, it's a more influential group among other people who don't even want to be referred to as amaNdebele. That's why sometimes wangizwa ngisithi whether Ndebele, Mthwakazi, Mahlabezulu, whatever you are comfortable with. Thina ekukhuleni kwethu vele sikhule sikwazi ukuthi ngamaNdebele, kulaMandebele kulamashona kuphela. Njalo iNdebele kimi ube kungumvenda kungumXhosa bonke banabantu embalisayo. Akufonela ukhipha umthetho impisi. So somebody is disturbing ifoni lapha ngazi mbe sisazwakala. Ngiyazwakala?
Yeah, lezwakala.
Nice. No ngivumelana lo baba uMguni ukuthi okunye ihistory makuthi sehluleke ukucelebrate diversity njengabelungu lapho ukuthi kunama Scottish, kunama Irish, kunama Wales, kunama English, within English balama Jodi abavela up north balani. Sometimes they celebrate those little differences bebodwa, but on the whole they use collective term ebahlanganisayo, whether it's British, English or whatever it is. But kithi the problem esilayo kithi le, there are some group who are taking advantage of those lines to cause a division among isizwe esakhiwa ngumzilikazi and pedly ama-history amanye asuke bebuhlungu okuzayenza ukuthi regionally abantu esizithi singamaNdebele noma Mthwakazi noma Mahlabezulu, whatever the term esifuna uzibiza ngayo, kube nzima ukuthi sibe le political mass lekhaya noma sokuyi-federal state noma whatever it is okungavela ekhaya, kuzaba nzima ngoba perpetually being divided and being encouraged by the current regime ukuthi amavenda ezibone ngamavenda abaXhosa eGwanda njalo amakhalanga sizibone kungabi lento esihlanganisayo. So ikuthola ukuthi thina abanye makuthi silezinto ezinje sibiza omdladla sisiba labanye sihlangane grace occasion ngoba we're trying to promote iglue yena leyana eyachiwayo ngokhokho bethu, but it's so difficult ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ezinye izinto, you don't want to use political terms, but izinto lezi ezifana labo grand plan, I know abanye bathi it's a myth, but it's so rife and really ukwehlukanisa abantu wenzela ukuthi bazibone in corners. Mase benjalo, they will never have power or political voice or power to reclaim what is theirs. So sometimes izinto ezinje zinzima, lezi ncwadi zenezi ezibhalweyo, you may be surprised ukuthi zibhalwe nge-intelligence officer kumbe i-grand plan practitioner deliberately trying to cause that friction esizweni sakithi. Ngoba mase siphenya sibuyele emuva, this organization is non-existent. 1, 2, ubhuti umbongolwane ungibhalele mina onguye olebizwe elazakala kakhulu, he doesn't share what the other person wrote. He is very, very upset ukuthi kusetshenziswa ibizo lithi mbongolwane leli. He has been writing to me ever since incwadi le yaphuma. He is quite bitter. He doesn't share our views, but he says umuntu obhalileyo osayinisiweyo kumbe osayinileyo, they share the same blood. So kunzima kwinto kwakhona masokuphuma on the ground, kwesinye isikhathi singakuthathela kancane, but thola ukuthi this thing is deep, ilama roots eZimbabwe intelligentsia phakathi, influencing those narratives, so asimenta kumba planta a division among our people so that we are perpetually weak to protect ourselves against the onslaught.
Okay, mbone ngathi unkalo uCanisius nayo befuna ukungena khona la. Ngena.
Ngibonge ngiyazwakala ngithi.
Uyezwakala.
Hayi mina ngangikhona baba. Bayikusizwa ngisithi ukuthi wathi ukuthi ngomthuthuko ongathuthuki, ngangime phansi phambi kwakho khona phambili. Akula into offensive wayikhulumayo, but ngizatsho futhi ngithi i-history yakithi abantu sebeyikhuluma from the lenses of the conqueror. Number 1. Number 2, they are now managed by these ongama-boundaries, lokho kusethwa ngabantu abafuna ukuthi ihlala nini kulawo makhona. And then trying to become so-called popular, i-popularism politics lesikhona these days. Whereby abantu bayalinda omunye umuntu akhulume, then they then come up with something else that was non-existent. Divisive ebantwini. It's very painful ukuthi uyakhuluma labantu uthola ukuthi umuntu doesn't even know about a certain community. I think ngimthumele kathesi ukankala imbali yetsheche yonke starting from uHlomuza, the first chief, la lapho kungena khona abangisa utiwi lojuke, angithi abahamba namakhalanga besivele. Kushiwo ukuthi the main family ayikhona lapho is the Khumalo, but kwabamuva besuka eSixville, which is eScoville, besiya laphana bafika labo bahlala. Khathesi intaba ukuzwa kuthiwa nguJukwe, kahle kahle nguJuke ngoba kwaku-headman uJuke, hayi uJukwe. So intaba wayehlala ngaphansi kwayo, kuyisikhalanga. Intaba zakhe eziningi zikhona, ungahamba uyefika even lale kuBobezha, ilitshe okuthiwa yiRubezha, ilitshe eliyo. Uhambo usuke khona phana uyahamba uyefika endaweni abantu bathi Kumputsi, ledamu leli abalibiza bathi iDondoli, abanye hayi igama lalo elipheleleyo nguTondoli Nolita.
Okay. That's powerful.
So ezinye izinto ungathola umuntu ongayaziyo imbali oyizwayo ayitshelwe ngomunye umuntu kodwa engayazi kuluhlupho sokuyikuzwela ezindleleni thina nxa silikhangele sililalele likhuluma yizinto esasizitshelwa ngabadala obabamkhulu silapho ngoba bengabakhokheli bezindawo abasoza indawo asitshela amanga
No.
abasebesizwa ngelikabathi sebephonga ukuvuka kusasa bengabantu abafuna ukuba yilokhuyana secabanga ukuthi la ngakhuluma kusasa uzavuke yilokhu cha imbali i-history ibizwa kuthiwa his story istory lesi senzakala wena ukhuluma istory sento eyenzakalayo hayi isifiso sakho. So it is very important to actually differentiate in between isifiso lalokho kuyikho khona.
Yeah.
Kuba umgunu kubeke kahle there is no difference in between ukuthi khalanga nokuba lindebele because in actual fact indebele is not a language. It is an identity of the people in the area who come from different ethnic groups. The collective identity actually. Because in Abakokumalo, Namangoni, Bangamantunga futhi. So they can say ukuthi asoma ndebele thina singamantunga. They can say ndebele thina singamangoni. Then who remains now? Akekho labona laba esibabiza sithi ngamashona. Kulabazi ngamazezulu, ngamakaranga, amakorekore, ngamabayini bale different ethnics. And ngakala ukuthi khona lokho sikwehlukanise. Yebo kuncane kwabanye abantu but ukuba mncane ukuthi angila ngqo. Kutsho ukuthi kumele ukuthi ngihluzisise lento. Nizwe kwabaphambili. Ngakuthiwa indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili balalela abadala nxa bekutshela lina lisitshela into yayiphila. Alisitshela izifiso. Singaba lezifiso zethu but azibi lokho kade kuyikho ngaleso sikhathi. Njalo azilitshintsha ngiyabonga.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu mnumzana Nkala. Ngingazi njalo noma umnumzana uSiziba naye uyafuna ukusikela ejekayo. Siziba baba.
Hayi bakhulumile abadala ukhulumile mfowethu sibonguzwa sichasiselwa sifundiswa njalo mina akukho engaku-eda sibonga amaqiniso aphume ebadaleni. Yeah.
Hayi no kulungile. Hayi mbona baba Hikwa isikhathi sethu hayi sesishwabene bengivele ngifuna nje ukuthi sishayise ngo9. Ya ngicela ukuthi usho amagama akho okugqiba kodwa ke ungaresponda nalokhu uNkala akukhulumileyo uma ufisa baba.
Hayi ubaba uNkala into engayikhulumayo ngivumelana layo angizwanga lutho engaphikisana lalo ngoba ukhuluma imbali nayo ngoba i-history isuke ebantwini siye ebantwini so akula lutho engamphikisa njalo okuningi kwakhona lami ngakuzwa khonokho into azikhulumayo amabizo eGwanda ngahlala eGwanda mina kakhulu ngayisebenza yonke iGwanda ngangithola amagama akhona amaningi angesikhalangeni so ngivumelana layo kakhulu uNkala into azikhulumayo lo baba uMguni lo baba uSiziba nje wetsho engaphetha ngakho nje ikho lokhu kuphela ukuthi ngixolise ebantwini bakithi aboluhlwini abakalanga besikhalangeni ukuthi amazwi wami ngiyazi ukuthi athethe wachukwa akufika ebantwini esengani ngamazwi amabi kakhulu kukanti-ke inhloso yethu laphana ukuba laphana kwakuyikupromotha ukusebenzelana ngoba obaba ondiweni babuya emhlanganweni yethu babuye bakhulume lathi kahle kakhulu so futhi ikomiti engisebenza layo yayijabule kakhulu yathenga nesipho isipho esasifakaza nje ukuthi no we value working together as partners kungala ukuthi sithi singaphansi komunye umuntu ayikho lento naleyo thina sasibabaza nje ukusebenzelana ukuhloniphana induna ezazikhona siyazihlonipha khona phana ngakho kule nduna ezivuya eluhlwini lePlumtree sasiyabahlonipha nje ngokufanayo and akukho ukuthi ngabize elinye igama ibala elithi uyikwa labuya ngenxa ukuthi we share the same surname. I could have used any example kodwa ke futhi ngangimentionela ukuthi no, we are together in this. So kule nduna ezikhona lakithi among abantu bePlumtree abesikhalangeni njalo it's my belief and hope ukuthi basebenza bonke eParliament ngoba kule one chief wabo uleader wabo uMchana Khumalo ngingazi ke kodwa ukuthi kusetshenziswana njani ekhaya kodwa ibelief yami nje ukuthi no, they work together and bezama ukuhlanganisa abantu bakithi singakhethani ngemihlobo engekho ngoba akungeke kusise ndawo kuzasenza ukuthi sihlale sinyathezelwe sikhala ukuthi abantu bayabuya besuka kwezinye indawo bezogebha amamayini kuMphowenzi ngaphila ngaphi bathathela konke lokho ezikolo abantwana bafundiswa ngabantu abangalalimi lwabo besakuma formative age ezibhedlela ezinkambeni bakhulunyiswa ngolimi olungasilo local language. So zonke lezana zinto kodwa ke njengochilo nkalo ukuthi how can I put it across? I mean, I apologize to those ukuthi amagama ami afika ngohlobo olaphushwa ngayo kodwa ke it was never meant to denigrate anybody. Tina, we're there just to promote togetherness and working in collaboration labafowethu siyisizwe sisuka one ndawo eMathebeleland ngoba thina siyazi ukuthi kule Mathebeleland asikeze ukuthi kule Makhalangaland kumbe kule Venderland eZimbabwe. So ukusebenzisa igama elithi Mathebeleland kithi asizange sakubona kuyinto embi kodwa ke njoba abazalwane abafowethu abanye bekukhuluma asazi kodwa ke kusiqinisayo ukuthi thina sizasebenzelana labafowethu ayikho into ezasitshintsha ukuthi sisebenzelane ngokuhloniphana singaze sizehlisa kodwa singazehlisa ukuthi singaphansi kwabo but respecta everybody who comes from our region ukuthi we are footing at the same wavelength. Akekho obhekela omunye phansi ozibona engcono kulomunye ubona phansi kulomunye. Ngiyabonga bankala.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu. Bafowethu uma ekhona onamazwi akho okugcina bembona ngani ubaba uMguni ufuna ukukhuluma. Samukele no King Mzilikazi Day UK. Uma kukhona ngabe efisa ukuphawula naye hayi siyamnikeza ithuba. Angazi baba Mguni noma lifuna ukukhuluma.
Ngiyabonga nzanza amafishane. Okokuqala ngibonge kakhulu ulokhu ubaba Hikwa. I'm part of the Bukalanga. I think ukuthi maybe we really need to start educating abantu what you are saying. I don't think ukuthi khona ngawuthole amazwi athukayo baba. Ngawuyinkokheli. Don't take ukuthi there is a big group that is there. It might be one or two misguided people. Ngicine ngokuthi khona you do realize ukuthi there was nothing called Shona before 1923. Different tribes and Allah. And therefore, let's not fall into a defensive mood. Ukuthi abantu ngabe funa ukuthi basi ukukhulunywa ngubaba Hikwa futhi ukuthi wona divide and rule bathi wona Makalanga they stand by themselves because ngiyazibona ngithini mina ngithi which part of me is not Kalanga. If you look at my iloku zabantu abakagogo ongaye umkalanga usebiwa Nteho Zwangu Echiki. That is what I actually know. That is my heritage. We fight this Baba Hikwa. This thing of trying to put Abakalanga, they are different than the rest of Amande. We are all under the Ndebele. Ngiyabonga. Mana ngime khona bonke donsi kakho.
Siyabonga baba Mguni.
Yeah, thank you.
King Mzilikazi Day uma kunento angabe efisa ukuyiphawula nje uthole sesivala ubaba uyikhwa ubesenikezile amazwi akho okugqiba. Uma kodwa kukhona ongabe ufisa ukukusho wena, hayi singakunikeza ithuba.
Ya litshonile ngikala lapho ukhuluma, unfortunately angila lutho olubambekayo ngalutsho khathesi, ngiphuzile ukufika khona ngena nje manje. Kodwa hayi ngibonge abadala abafowethu asebehambile bayilima lindima. Ngizwile amazwi amahle okwakha sibili asekhulunyiwe phambi kwethu lapha. Ngibona ngani kuyinto eqondileyo ukuthi sizibone as a group, sibe sesizibona futhi as parts that make up the group. Ngibona ngani khonokho kuqakathekile vele. The parts that make up a whole can never be the same. So kuqakathekile khonkyana ukuthi sibe ngumzimba munye, loba nje ama body parts ehambe chiyana lapha kule ndlebe lapha and things like that. So ngibona ngathi hayi ngikugcizelela nje kusanda kukhulunywa ngobaba uyikhwa lomguni lapha ukuthi asingayivumelini yona leyo ingqondo yokuthi kube kungena ukwehlukanisa abantu bevele bezidlalele ngaphansi kwesihlahla lesi okuthiwa amatebele. Babe sebeqalisa ukubizwa ngemhlobo ethize. Asekeleni abantu bazigqaje ngokutonga lobusuthu babo, kodwa babuye ngaphansi kwesihlahla lesi okuthiwa amatebele bazidlalele nje, kungabi lohlupho. Sivele sisebenza kuhle kakhulu endulo up to now. So siyabe sidizelana into eyakhiwe ngabadala from all the way 150 years ago. Sinkhona sithi sizaqalisa namuhla ukuthi sehlukanise. Amboni ukuthi siyabe sihlakaniphile thina njenge generation yanamhlanje ukuthi siqhaqhe lokho abadala bakuthungileyo. Ngibonge lapho.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu. Mfowethu Canisius, umunawo amazwi okugcina sivale baba.
Hayi ngibonge khona lapho ke njenge last born. Mina ngifuna ukuthi ngigqugquzele kini mina kulento engiyifundayo, especially ku community yeKhalanga, i-preservation of language, the teaching of cultures. Yet we can be a nation, but to understand ukuthi sifunde, we can never get that information if belingelayo leyo association. So to me, it's a very important organization that cannot apologize for its existence, because in the first place, you have put Abakalanga on the map, and you have made other nations and other people learn and they realize that you are there. So not be discouraged. Please, emuva, continue lenze njengoba lisenza, sizafunda kini, because we cannot be proud to be Matebele yet not know all the languages or the ethnic groups that exist in Matebele. But because of you, the Bakalanga are on the map. Thank you.
Awesome.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu, asibonge ukuthi lizile ukuthi sizoba nengxoxo emqoka kangaka ebaluleke kangaka, ngoba kuhle ukuthi njengabantu sikwazi ukuthi izindaba ezinzima singaze sabele ebudeni, kumele sikhulume ngazo kwenzela ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibe nendlela esibambana ngayo, ngoba sesiveze amaqiniso nalokho okufihlakele. Uyabona ke lesi sizwe esibizwa kuthiwa ngesemakhalangeni isizwe esikhulu kakhulu. Even nakithi le kwagodlwayo le, hayi indawo zakithi ezifana nemfula ezifana nezintaba zibizwa ngaso isikhalanga. So uthola ukuthi nathi ogogo bethu bebengamakhalanga. So hayi lo umuntu ofuna ukusihlukanisa usho ukuthi mina uzothatha igazi elingakanani kimi lesikhalangeni alithathe ayilibekale, then bese thathe lesiswatini elibekale.
Yes.
Sizoke sibone. Ke sibone. Hayi kodwa hayi sibongile kakhulu.
Hayi, nathi sibonga kakhulu Gala
ngokuzayo.
labafowethu obaba uMguni. Yeah, ubaba uMguni, I need you to be more active kubukalanga laphana.
Usehambile ubaba uMguni.
Usehambe. Hayi, that's all right. Hayi, thank you very much Baba Nkala. Ngiyabonga abafowethu. Thank you.
Hayi sibongile kakhulu.
Sure.